SmartClean also has a function which will put the SmartClean solution from the SmartClean tank into the main tank. Be sure you want to mix before using this function. Turn the power switch on at the cab control panel. At the rear control panel, turn the emergency stop switch on. Press either the Auxiliary 1 or Auxiliary 2 button on the function keypad. Press and hold the SmartClean Tank Empty button for 5 seconds. The pump will run for 30 seconds at 50 gallons per minute. If the tank doesn't drain completely, repeat this step.